Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we customize phone sleep time setting in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to customize guys your phone sleep time setting. So friend, how can you customize and friend, how can you use your phone sleep time setting in your Oppo phone device guys? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Friends, now let's see how to customize phone sleep time guys. We will click on the search bar here guys, display and brightness setting guys. So when you click on the display and brightness setting guys, then you scroll it. Auto screen of setting guys, tap here to customize your phone sleep time guys. You can customize according to yourself guys. You can there are 6 and 7 time guys, 15 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5, 10, and 30. So it's your choice. So if you click on this 5 minutes, so friends, after 5 minutes guys, your phone will sleep. So like that guy, we can customize and guy we can set according to ourselves guys our phone screen phone sleep time setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to customize phone sleep time in Oppo phone device. Bye.